From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Clouds will be gradually but steadily on the increase as we head deeper into the overnight, the early morning hours of your Tuesday, ahead of the next front that brings rain chances to the area. Here's your hourly forecast for tonight. Clouds steadily on the increase toward daybreak. Some morning lows only getting toward the mid to upper 60s out there. Then a few showers start to be possible as we head deeper through our Tuesday morning into the afternoon, maybe even a rumble of thunder during the afternoon. Clouds steadily on the increase later into the overnight and the morning hours. Can't rule out a sprinkle as early as 5 or 6 a.m. Morning lows in the mid to upper 60s. A few folks in North Alabama may be near 70. A few isolated pop-up thunder showers through the late morning and the early afternoon hours. And then these periods of light to moderate showers coming through during the afternoon and the evening hours. So no widespread heavy rain expected, no severe storms expected. And then the front gradually settles into the area as we head deeper into the overnight. But it's going to take a while, late Tuesday night, Wednesday, for the clouds to start to decrease across the area as the front moves in. But cooler and drier air will be moving in for the remainder of the week into the weekend. Instead of near 90, we're going to have daytime highs in the upper 70s to near 80. I'll show you that. And then into the weekend, chance of another front bringing a few more showers and thunderstorms. So low to mid 80s out there for Tuesday, and then mid to upper 70s Wednesday through Friday. Morning lows Thursday morning, Friday morning, down into the mid 50s across the area. And then we start to moderate a little bit back into the lower 80s as we head into the weekend. We're still watching Major Hurricane Lee out in the southwest Atlantic. Category 3 is the 4 p.m. Central Time advisory. Another advisory comes out at 10 p.m. local time. But here over the next 24 hours or so, it will start that northwest and northward turn over the western Atlantic, mostly staying offshore of the United States this week. However, we're going to have to watch closer to the weekend as this moves northward toward the Canadian Maritimes. This could get closer to either the coastal areas of Maine in the northeast United States or Nova Scotia. And there may be a landfall we're talking about here, but we're talking about a category 1 to a strong tropical storm by that time. But there may be things like beach erosion, coastal flooding, and some flooding by fresh water, by heavy rain, and also some wind damage up there. So there may be coastal U.S. impacts in upper New England. But the good news locally, and not only from Lee, but any other disturbances, no Tennessee Valley impacts, no Gulf of Mexico impacts expected for at least the next 7 days. Mid to upper 60s, you begin your Tuesday. Mostly cloudy out there to start our Tuesday. A little bit of sun at times, though. And then periods of scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder possible through the morning into the afternoon and evening. No widespread heavy rain. No severe storms expected, though. Daytime highs in the low to mid 80s. Maybe a few folks only getting up to near 80 if the clouds move in early enough. And then rain moves out Tuesday evening and overnight. Clearing skies through Wednesday into Thursday. But notice the temperatures here. Daytime highs only in the mid to upper 70s. Morning lows down in the 50s. A few more showers and thunderstorms possible over the weekend as we warm back into the lower 80s. But still below average here, still on the cooler side. Not excessively cool, but comfortable as we head from the weekend into early next week. There's your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Roston's back in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local weather.